All right, guys, thanks for tuning in. It's your boy, Joby, the Pokemon Professor. Today, I got a really sweet surprise for you guys. Today, guys, we're going to do it. We're going all out. We are going to be opening up the Pikachu Sidekick collection. It's got a Pikachu Sidekick Dangler. It's going to have, it looks like 3 packs. If I'm correct, XY Breakthrough, Sun and Moon Burning Shadows, and then Sun and Moon base set. It's got that Pikachu promo card in there, super fire. It's pretty valuable right now. Let me see here. This is from 2017, so almost 10 years old. Pikachu is always charged up for battle and ready to show off its electric powers. You get a Pikachu as a clip-on dangler for your backpack, keyring, or lanyard, and also a playable foil promo card. Bring a new spark to your game and fire up your battling spirit with Pikachu. So pretty awesome. Gonna open this up. And might regret it, but it's okay. We're looking to do something pretty special today. So let's get right into it. Oh no, I can't believe I'm doing this. Oh no, oh no. We did it. That was pretty quick and easy, huh? Okay, so yes, XY Breakthrough, Sun and Moon Burning Shadows, Sun and Moon base set. Let's see what else we got here. Okay, all right, so here's the promo card. Let me actually get my sleeve ready because this is crazy. Okay. Oh no, it's stuck in there pretty tight. Oh no, that's never a good sign. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Okay, let me just get this put in here right away. Let's just... Okay. Warped a tiny bit. Not as much as I thought it was going to be. So that's not bad. I think I got a huge fingerprint right there. Okay, so here's the card. I would say it's actually centered very well. Let's check the back. Wow, looks pretty good. Oh my goodness, this might be, I could seriously see this getting a 10. Ooh, look at that hollow. Beautiful. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna put Pikachu in the green one today. And let's get Pikachu in here. Great. Cool. So we got that. Okay. And then here is our dangler. Pikachu, I choose you. 2017, made in China. Pretty cool. Little clip on. Take this to church. All right. Pretty cool. Awesome, Pikachu. And then we have our 3 packs: Sun and Moon base, Sun and Moon Burning Shadows, and then XY Breakthrough. XY Breakthrough. Okay, this is going to be fun. Question is, how should I do this? Oh, how should I do this? Oh, man. I don't know how I should do this. And I'm really scared. Look at that Mewtwo. Oh, my goodness. Let's just do it the way it came, huh? Base set, Burning Shadows, and Breakthrough. Let's see what we got. Okay, Sun and Moon. Here we go. If I'm correct, it's... Oh, no. Uh-oh. Okay. Ooh. Boom. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, okay, 4. Perfect for Sun and Moon. Okay. Energy. How? Wishy-washy. Alolan Raticate. Chinchou. Alolan Rattata. Roggenrola. Marini. Crabcrawler. Oh, Incineroar Reverse Hollow. And... Oh, Solgaleo GX, baby. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Oh, man. Sweet. Solgaleo GX. Ooh, wow. Beautiful card as well here. Oh, it's a little top heavy. Wow. It's a nice card. We're going to have to take a look at that here in a little bit. Actually, you know what? And I'm a fan of this reverse holo Incineroar. I'm gonna sleeve that bad boy too. Just why not? It's a sweet card. Look at that. These reverse holos are pretty sweet back in the day. I like it. Okay. Woo! All right, come out swinging. Sun and Moon base set. Thank you, baby. All right. Now let's see what else we got here. Sun and Moon Burning Shadows. I have ripped a good amount of Burning Shadows, and I'll be honest, I never get anything. So, are we going to continue that here, or are we going to start something new? Let's find out. Because I'm really curious. Okay, code card. 2, 3, 4. Okay. Oh, Fighting Energy again. Noctowl. Mounts. Simisear. Caterpie. Ladybug. Inkay. Crabrawler. Tynamo. Reverse Holo Olivia. And a Butterfree non-holo. Okay. I am actually going to sleeve this reverse because look at that's like a Pokeball right there. I'm not sure. I mean, I'm assuming back then this was pretty normal, but probably not much, but still cool. I'll sleeve the Butterfree. It's a rare. Why not, right? Why not? Why not? Right? Why not? Okay. So now we got that done and completed. And now we're gonna go to the XY breakthrough. All right, that Mewtwo though, Mewtwo fire right there. Look at that Mewtwo. It's a scary Mewtwo right there. Oof, oof, oof. Okay. Oh, well, good code card, I guess. Boom. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, shoot. Is it 3? Oh, I don't know what it is. Maybe it's not. Oh, I think I messed up because that's a rare right there. So I probably screwed this up. Noctowl, Mewtwo Spirit Link, Vanillish, Quilladin. That's actually pretty cool art right there. Woobat, Chespin, Rufflet, Chespin again. Zororua. And oh yeah, that Floette reverse. So it was 3 and I went 4. It's alright. Reverse Floette. And the Mewtwo Spirit Link. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Why not? Why not? And so let's see. Noctowl was my rare. I really like the way that looks. So there's a Chespin. So 2 different Chespins in this set, huh? 7 and 9 of 172. So is 8 also a Chespin? That's very interesting. I did not know that. And Noctowl was my rare. Wow. Okay. Cool beans, cool beans. All right, guys. So here's what I got. And I'll show you what I got. We got the Solgaleo GX from Sun and Moon Base. Incineroar also from Sun and Moon Base. Burning Shadows, we got Olivia and Butterfree non-holo. And XY Breakthrough, we got the Mewtwo Spirit Link, just plain. And then the Floette Reverse Holo. Also, remember our promo card, which is fire. It is going to be a solid 10. I believe it wholeheartedly. Look at that. It's a sick promo. It's in great shape. It looks phenomenal. Can't wait to send this in. But yeah, PSA 10, maybe look that up. It's worth a few bucks. All right, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Remember, God's got a plan and purpose for your life. I hope you're doing great. Be kind. Love one another. We'll see you later. Go catch them all. Peace.